Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Fab Fit Fun box unboxing. And this is the winter box that I received. I actually got Fab Fit Fun as a gift for my birthday. My birthday was in September, and my mom, my sisters decided to get me a year's worth of subscription. So I got the fall box, this is the winter box, I'm gonna get the spring box and the summer box. So I thought I would just share with you guys like what I got in my box. And then I also got like a palette, so I was thinking about doing like a try-on style of the palette, but at the end of the video. So let's just get started to unbox this box right here. So the first thing that I got was this blanket or scarf, well, blanket thing right here. I actually customized my box, so I chose what I was gonna put in my box. Some of the things that I got, I don't remember choosing them, but like for this, for example, like I chose this when I went online and customized it. So I got this blanket right here. It is so cute, and actually I'm changing like my room to be like gray and white, so this matches like my bedspread and things like that I want to do for my room. So I really like this, and it's very warm and cozy and very cute. And the next thing that I got in my box is this right here. It just fell out. This is the Sponge Gel Beach Grass Beyond Cleansing Body Contouring Buffer. So this right here is like a really hard sponge, and it's just used to like exfoliate your body, and I'm really excited to use this because it is cruelty free and it's vegan as well. And it also says that it smooths your areas prone to cellulite. I don't have cellulite. It says that it's cleanses, exfoliates, and massages all in one. So it has coffee and sea kelp extract. So I'm really excited to try this and use this. I'm probably going to use this tonight and see how well it exfoliates all of my dead skin cells. And I also got this right here. This is a Lele Sadowi. I picked the silver necklace, the silver circle necklace. So, wait, hold on. This is what the necklace looks like. It is so cute, and it's very simple, but I like how simple it is and very cute. I feel like you could just wear this any day. You could just throw it on, and it's very cute. I like it. And I didn't want like, it was like either, I think it was between this, I forgot what it was, what the other options were, but I just knew that I didn't have really much of a choice because of something this and like something else that I didn't like at all. So I just chose the necklace. Next thing I got is I got these two essential oils. It's eucalyptus and sweet orange, and it has coconut and jojoba oil. I've really been into essential oils. A lot of people use essential oils to like cure headaches, not to cure headaches, to help soothe with headaches, and a lot of people use essential oils instead of like medication. So I'm really thinking about trying these essential oils. I don't know what they claim to do, so I just have to do more research about what these oils do for you, or like what they help to treat. But I'm really excited to try them. It's a eucalyptus and sweet orange. I'm really excited to hear. I'm really interested in getting essential oils, especially for like anxiety and like and like stress and things like that. So if you know any great essential oils, please comment them down below and let me know what essential oils you like or that you use. The thing that I picked up is this right here. This is the BLAQ eye mask, and it has hyaluronic acid. Now if you watch Jackie Aina, she's always talking about hyaluronic acid, and because of her I actually started using hyaluronic acid in my skincare, and it really does hydrate. I got the Sunday Riley. I got like a mini Sunday Riley moisturizer with hyaluronic acid in it, and I'm waiting for that to come in. I'm really excited to try that because Jackie Aina always says that hyaluronic acid helps to really moisturize your skin, and these eye masks have hyaluronic acid in it. I haven't tried these out yet, but this is what they look like inside, one for each eye, and it says that they leave the evidence of last night behind, and it says that they depuff, detox, and they help you get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. And this is from the brand BLAQ. I think I already said that. And it says that you just have to wash your face first and you leave the eye mask on for 10 to 15 minutes before you peel off the skin. And then you use this eye mask twice a week. So I'm really excited to try these eye masks to see if they really help me. I have dark circles underneath my eyes, so I want to see if these eye masks really help with that. And the next thing that I got, which I didn't really have an option of, is this right here. This is the Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care Treatment Mask for intense care for dry and damaged hair. This has Moroccan argan oil. It is cruelty-free, which I love that. They don't test on animals, this brand. I don't know if it's going to work for my 4C hair. I don't know. It says you only leave it for 5 minutes. I never leave hair masks for that long. I like the smell of it. It has a very like thick like texture about it. This is what it looks like in the bottle, in the jar. To me it looks like, you know, like body butter. It has like that same texture of body butter. I'm going to try it. I don't know if it's going to work on my hair. And I'll let you guys know how this worked out. But I'm going to try it and see if it helps to make my hair soft. I wasn't really excited about getting this, but like I said, they only give you 2 options, and it was like this, or I forgot like what my options were. I should take a screenshot of what they were, but it was between this and something that I didn't want at all. So I was just like, let me just get this. Maybe I could give it to my friend or something, you know, because I don't know if this would work for my hair type. And the next thing I got is this AHAVA Hydration Cream Mask. So this right here is from the brand AHAVA, and this is a cream mask that helps for like dry skin. It says that it infuses and nourishes thirsty skin with an active hydrating mask. It has a creamy texture and it softens and smooths the skin, and it provides intense hydration and comfort. So you can apply it once or twice a week. My skin has been super dry lately because I've been using a lot of glycolic acid. I've been using retinol on my skin, so my skin has been super dry. So I am actually going to try this tonight, and I'm going to see if this does really hydrate my skin and help with those dry patches I have on my skin. So I'm actually excited to try this. I don't have I never considered myself as someone who had dry skin, but I'm just trying to reconsider that because I know I don't have oily skin. Like the only part that gets oily is like my nose. That's the only thing that gets oily. But I never considered myself someone with dry skin, but I'm starting to think that maybe I do have dry skin because the way my skin has been so dry lately, like I don't know what to do with it. Like I know glycolic acid makes my skin dry, and I know retinol makes your skin dry, so I know those products that I've been using, but I still feel like my skin is like more dry than it usually is. So I'm gonna try this mask tonight, and I'll let you guys know how that worked out. So now onto my favorite part of the Fab Fit Fun box unboxing is the makeup part. I love getting new makeup. So I got this Pure eyeshadow palette. It's the Be Yourself palette right here. This is what the inside looks like. And as we know, Pure is a cruelty-free brand, so everything that I got is cruelty-free, which I really love that. So good job, Fab Fit Fun. Very like, this is what the inside looks like. It's a very neutral palette. It has like more warm tones. It has like this deep color right here, which I like. You can do a couple eye looks with this. I love colors like this. I love palettes like this. So you already know this is up my alley. So and it smells just like cocoa. It smells so good. You know those the Too Faced chocolate bar palette? This is what it smells like. It smells like it so much. Okay, so I got this palette right here. And another thing I got is this Thrive Cosmetics highlighting stick. So this is a brilliant eye brightener from Thrive Cosmetics. I've never tried anything from Thrive Cosmetics, so I was very excited when I saw this in my box because a lot of YouTubers talk about Thrive Cosmetics and I've always wanted to try them. And this is actually called Stella, and my dog's name is Stella. So I was like, oh my gosh, My dog's name is Stella, and it's spelled the same exact way as her name too. So I am going to use this Brilliant Eye Brightener. I'm going to try this Brilliant Eye Brightener today, and I'm going to try to see if I could use it as an eyeliner and probably like to highlight my brow bone or something and my inner tear duct. So I'm really excited about this from Thrive Cosmetics, and I've only heard positive and great things about Thrive, so I'm really excited about this. And then the last makeup item that I got is this Doucce mascara. This is a Punk Volumizer mascara. I love the packaging on this. It just looks so sleek and so nice. So it comes like this. It looks like this. And it has a red top, and then everything else is black. It is so freaking cute. I love the way it's like packaged. And this is a volumizing mascara. And the wand actually reminds me of the CoverGirl Outlast mascara, the one in the orange tube. So this is what the wand looks like. I usually don't wear mascaras like this, but I'm going to try this one and see how well this looks on my lashes. And then also when you get Fab Fit Fun, you get a like magazine with it as well. So I got this magazine right here, and I think it's so cute how they have like their own magazines, and it just like shows you how you can use, I guess, what you got in your Fab Fit Fun box. And then it's just so cute. It has like all these people who are Fab Fit Fun, who have the Fab Fit Fun box, and then when you open it, it has like membership spotlights and talks about essential oils. Oh, and it actually tells you how to use the essential oils. Okay, so I got those two, and it says that like I can use the eucalyptus to use it on sore muscles, and the sweet orange I can use it on my temples or stomach for cramps and headaches. So I'm really going to read this magazine. I think it's so amazing. I'm going to leave a little magazine in here. And also with Fab Fit Fun box, you get a HelloFresh gift card. I have a $60 gift card. It says that I get $20 off my first 3 deliveries, and I get free shipping, and I have a code for HelloFresh. I've always wanted to try HelloFresh because I just feel like these are such nice, convenient meals, you know what I mean? And this is so nice of them to give us $60 gift cards to HelloFresh. I definitely think that Fab Fit Fun box is worth the money. Like, even if I didn't get this as a gift, I would have gotten a Fab Fit Fun box myself and paid for it, because you get so many great things. And I think my mom and my sisters, I think they paid, I think it was like $200 for the 4 boxes. So each box is about $50, but this is worth way more than $50. So I definitely love Fab Fit Fun box, and I would definitely recommend of getting Fab Fit Fun box. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an eye look that I'm going to create using the Pure Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be using the Thrive Cosmetics thing, and I'm going to be using the mascara, and I'm just going to zoom you in to see what look I create with it. And this part, I'm just going to speed it up. I'm not going to really talk much. I'm just going to point to the things and yeah, all that. I'm not going to, it's not really a tutorial. It's just showing you what look I came up with. look I came out with. I really like this look. It's very natural. It's not anything like extra or anything like that, but I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face, and I'll be right back just to close out this video. Alright guys, so I finished up my whole face. I am done with my makeup for the day. Final thoughts on this palette. I really like this palette. I really like the look I created. It's very natural, it's very everyday, and my highlighter is not blended right here. The Thrive Cosmetics highlighter pencil, that's what I used to highlight my inner tear duct and my brow bone. I really like that as well. And then the mascara really made my lashes super like volumized and very nice. I forgot to show you guys on camera me putting on mascara, but anyways, I put it on, and this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't have Fab Fit Fun box, please check them out. I'm not affiliated with them, so don't think I'm like getting paid to tell you this. Fab Fit Fun box is amazing. I really like the products that I got. I love how you get to choose what you get in your box. That's really interesting to me. I definitely love what I got in the box this season, and thank you so much for watching again. My name is Krystelle. Thank you for checking out my channel. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you like my content, and chat with me. Like, I love interacting with people on YouTube. I love when people comment and I get to have a conversation with them. I love being part of this community, so please comment down below, because I would love to have a conversation with you guys and just talk to you and just be like a community. And so thank you again for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.